Isang masayang pagbati na may ngiti sa aking mga labi. Naghahanap ba kayo ng makakatuwang sa pag-review ng inyong anak? Meron yan sa DepEd. Ang ETUlay online tutorial ay libre at handog ng ating kagawaran sa pangunguna ng OUA ICTS EdTech. Ito ay isang proyektong makatutulong sa mga mag-aaral, katuwang ang mga magulang o kasama sa kani-kanilang tahanan para masagutan at maunawaan ang mga modules. Hangad din ng programang ETUlay ang matulungan ang ating mga guro sa kanilang mga blended learning classes. Ang ating ETUlay ay mula kinder hanggang senior high school. Bukod sa academics, meron din tayong mga special programs gaya ng All is Wellness, Reading and Math Remediation, Storytelling, Mommy Tech Talks, Classes sa Gramatika, Speech Class, Financial Literacy, at marami pang iba. Pinalawig din ng ETUlay ang ating Alive program para sa mga mag-aaral mula grade 1 hanggang grade 3. Gayun din ay mayroon tayong ALS program at SPED tutorials na makasisigurong makakamit ng lahat ang inclusive education. May SPED hotline na rin para sa inyong mga katanungan patungkol sa special education. Kaya, subaybayan mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, mula 9 ng umaga hanggang 7 ng gabi ang ating ETUlay. Sa ating pagtutulungan, maiaangat natin ang bawat isa. Ating itutulay ang pagkatuto upang di mapigil ang pag-aaral ng kabataang Pilipino. Itulay natin ito, sulong edukalidad.
Mabuhay! Good day to all! I am your tutor Madge. Welcome to ETUlay, a free online tutorial, an initiative of the Department of Education, Information and Communications Technology Service, Educational Technology Unit, ICTS EdTech. This program is aimed at helping and assisting learners from kindergarten, senior high school, ALS, Alive, and SPED learners. Aside from answering the modules, the ETUlay is offering programs which you will surely look forward to. Together with our parents and teachers, the ETUlay will bridge the gaps where difficulty and ease meet in learning new knowledge and skills. So, let us prepare our modules, pen and paper. Ready your mind to see and hear worthwhile and interesting lessons. Let us now study and learn, together with our volunteer online tutors. Tara na!
Hello, good afternoon. Matandang hapon muli. Namiss namin kayo last Friday. And then thank you kay Prince sa salubuna sa amin last time ni Tutor Joby. Well, again, welcome to our online ETUlay online tutorial. Kaya, Tutor Joby,
Yes, isang magandang hapon muli sa ating lahat. So, totoo nga na na-miss namin kayo mga online learners. Sa pag na wala yata ako. Okay, okay. So, yan. So, medyo ulit ang ating internet connection. So, pasensya na po. So, yan. Isang matgandang hapon muli sa ating mga online learners at syempre sa mga magulang ng mga online learners na to at ang kanilang mga advisor, maging ang kanilang mga principal na napaka-supportive. Katulad ng aming principal na si Ma'am Regina R. Albay. So, isang matgandang hapon muli sa inyong lahat. So, sana ay i-share natin ang ating link para mas marami mas masaya. Yan, Tutor Wella?
yes, Tutor Joby, bago tayo mag-continue, dapat naka-heart comment na sila. Ibig sabihin, na-share na nila ang live natin. And, babati na tayo, Tutor Joby. Yan na po ang pinakahihintay nila. Okay, so let's start, Tutor.
Okay, yes. Tingnan natin yung kauna-unahang nagbumati. Good afternoon po from Yana Rain Leonardo. Yan, talagang napakapangtual ni Yana Rain. Nandyan din po si Carl Caparoso, si Hasmin Bravo Gonzales, ayan, si Jan J. May Cabonitalia, si Unreal Torres, si Isaac Sahulga. Yan. Sino-sino pa, Tutor Wella?
Okay.
Ayan.
Nandyan din, Tutor Joby, nila yung screen natin. Okay, so pakiclick na lang. Nandyan si Mac Prince. Huwag mo ba si Mac Prince, Tutor Joby? Okay, good afternoon sa inyo. Si Eileen Ocot. Okay. Si Ria Janine Gorospe. Si Enrico Dalupan. No, you are not late. Sabi niya, I am late. No, hindi ka late. Kaumpisa lang natin. Okay, so good afternoon, my dear learners. And shout out muna sa mga kasama natin sa San Lorenzo Ruiz Elementary School na naiwan pa sa school. Okay, hello, hello. Good afternoon sa inyo. Okay, Dr. Job.
Yes, bago tayo magpatuloy, Tutor Wella, nandyan pa rin ang ating mga suki na si Heavenly Heart Tanghian at ito ang bago, Joylyn Pagalyaman from grade 9 Aristotle, watching from Alibadabad National High School, SDO Isabela. At ang kanyang teacher ay si Ma'am Leslie Ann Ballesteros Gamaru. Yes, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. At syempre sa mga nagbumabati nating mga online learners, maya-maya pagbalikan natin silang lahat para mabati natin. Yes, so ang ating pag-aaralan ngayong araw, so nasa quarter 4 na tayo, week 2. Solving routine and non-routine problems involving areas of plane figures. At syempre, kami ang inyong Ma'am Mathematicians, Tutor Wella, and yours truly, Tutor Jovi. Yan. So tandaan, every Friday, 3 to 3:40 p.m. Okay. So, yes, Tutor Wella, dapat nating
Yes,
pasalamatan.
Dr. Jovi. Yes, i-acknowledge muna natin at pasalamat natin ADM, sa office at ang mga writers ng ating module na ginagamit ngayon. So maraming salamat. Thank you so much sa pagpapahiram ng module sa amin. Okay. Next, for our objectives this afternoon, after going through this module, you are expected to solve routine and non-routine problems involving finding the areas of squares, rectangles, triangles, parallelograms, and trapezoids. Okay. Next,
At
syempre,
okay, yes,
Dr. Joby.
syempre. May iniwan si Tutor Prince na assignment last week at ito nga po yung about sa pagkuha ng area. Okay, so syempre, ang ginagawa natin diyan ay binibigyan natin ng award ang lahat ng mga nag-submit ng kanilang mga assignment at sino-sino nga po ba sila binibigyan natin sila ng award na Job Well Done Cuties Award. Okay, yes, Tutor Wella?
Yes. Nangunguna dyan si Yana Rain Leonardo. Sino pa, Tutor Joby?
Yes, si Clint Cedric M. Tabieros.
Nandyan din, nag-submit din si Joyce Ann Manuel. And
At siyempre si Ria Janine Gorospe.
si Heavenly Heart Tanghian. And last, Joby, si
Okay,
Ryan
yes.
Matthew Cobar.
Okay. Job well done cuties award. Thank you so much. So, round of applause sa inyong lahat. At syempre, mamaya hintayin ninyo yung mga magiging challenge ulit at inaasahan namin ni Tutor Wella na is magsasubmit na naman kayo. Alam kong handang-handa kayo online learners, di ba? So, yes. So, continue na natin, Tutor Wella, para alam kong atat na sila at nakaready na rin ang ating mga online learners na makipag-participate sa ating aralin ngayong araw. Okay?
Yes.
So,
Okay, go on,
what's
Tutor Joby.
yes, what's in muna tayo? Balikan naman natin yung nakaraang aralin. So, ang ating lesson last week. So, what is this? So, match its question in column A with its corresponding answer in column B. So, number 1, what is the formula for finding the area of trapezoid? Okay, look at column B. Alin ba dyan ang tamang formula ng pagkuha ng area ng trapezoid? Paki-comment down nga po para makita natin kung naaalala nyo pa ang ating lesson last week. Okay, sige nga po, comment down nga po. Habang nagko-comment, binabati natin sina Mac Princelet Niepes, si Aaron Richard Zapata, si Ariel Sian Raintan. Ayan, si Enrico Dalupa na sabing nag-late kanina pero hindi pa po. Ayan, nandyan din si Island Ocot, si Aaron Richard Zapata. Okay, may sagot na, Tutor Wella, at ang sagot ay letter D, sabi ni Isaac, ni Yana, ni Mac Prince. Tingnan natin kung tama nga po ba. Very good, ang galing talaga. Okay, next, number 2.
What is the
Yes.
formula for finding the area of a parallelogram? Comment down your answer, learners. Okay. So, binabati ko rin, Tutor Joby, si Rose B. Ashley Lopez. Parang bago nating
Yes.
kasama yan. From, Mahogany 4 daw siya. Okay.
Yes.
Mga bago tayo, Tutor Joby, si
Yes.
Ariel Sean Runtan, bago din natin kasama yan. Okay, good afternoon sa
Ay.
inyo and welcome. And may sagot na si Tutor Joby and ang sagot nila ay tama nga ba? Yes, very good. Next.
Okay, number 3, what is the area of a square whose side is 9 meter long? Again, paki-comment ulit ang inyong mga sagot for number 3. 9 ang kanyang side. Okay. Ay Syra Detrick Camora, good afternoon. Si ayan, Samantha Nicole Abansia. At meron na ring sagot. Ang bilis talaga ni Isaac, ni Janine, ni Ria Janine, ni Mac Prince din. Talagang nangunguna. So, ang sagot nila ay
At
letter A.
Diana.
Yes. Okay,
Tama nga
very
ba?
good. Yes, it's letter A, Tutor Wella. Okay,
Next,
number 4.
4. What is the formula for finding the area of a triangle? Okay, count down your answer, learners. Ready? Okay, number 4 is, okay, babatiin natin, sino pa ay, yan, si Syra Detrica Mora Kaligiran. Bago natin kasama. At ang sagot nila, Tutor Joby, ay let B. Tama nga ba si Isaac, si Ria, si Yana, sino pa ba? Ay, marami na. Si Anrel, letter B daw. Tutor Joby, si Samantha, letter B daw ba? Tutor Joby, yes,
Yes.
letter B. Okay, number 5.
Okay, so number 5 naman, what is the area of rectangle whose length is equal to 15 centimeter and width with 8 centimeter. Okay, alin nga ba ang sagot diyan? Mukhang mahirap yan, Tutor Wela. Iisa na lang ang ating pagpipilian. At syempre, obviously, ang sagot ay letter C. At syempre, naniniwala naman tayo sa ating mga online learners na sa galing ba naman ni Tutor Prince mag-explain last Friday ay talagang natutunan nila. So, the answer is letter C. Yes. So, comment down 5/5 kung 5 ang nakuha. Then, siyempre, habang nagko-comment sila, Tutor Wella, ng kanilang mga score. So, let's proceed. Ano nga ba ang ating pag-uusapan ngayong oras?
Okay, so for our lesson for today, so let's read and analyze the problem. Carlos wants to cover their backyard with Bermuda grass to prevent soil erosion and preserve the topsoil. The backyard is in the shape of a parallelogram with a base of 11 meters and a height of 9 meters. How many square meters of Bermuda grass are needed to cover the backyard? Okay. So, Dr. Jovi, alam na, 5/5 daw ang kanilang mga nakuha. Okay, let's go
Yes.
back to the problem. So, how are we going to solve this problem? So, to solve this problem, meron tayong paraan. Okay. This is an example of a routine problem. So, kapag sinabi nating routine, meron tayong 4-step plan na sinusunod. So, to solve it, we use the 4-step plan. And this is the first step. First, we are going to understand the problem. In understanding the problem, we have to know what are given. So, know the facts that are given. So, dapat alam nyo yan kung ano ang mga facts na dapat i-consider sa pag-solve ng problem. So, ano-ano nga ba ang mga facts doon sa problem na binasa ni Tutor Wella? Okay, so a backyard in the shape of a parallelogram with the following dimension. So, ang base niya ay 11 meters and ang height niya ay 9 meters. So, after that, you know the facts. So, what is asked in the problem? Ano nga ba ang hinihingi ng problem natin para makuha natin ang tamang sagot? So, what is asked in the problem? Ano nga bang tinatanong dyan? How many square meters of Bermuda grass is needed to cover the backyard? So, you know, you understand now the problem. So, you have to proceed to step 2. So, step 2, you have to plan. Ayan na. Planning na tayo. So, in planning, ano nga ba ang gagawin niyo kapag nagpa-plan kayo? So, you have to consider the strategy that you are going to use to solve the problem. Ano nga ba ang gagawin ko? So, pwede ninyong mag-drawing, pwede kayong mag-drawing. Depende yan sa interpret ninyo sa problem. So, draw a diagram to visualize the problem only if necessary. Okay. So, and then you have to compute the area. Compute the area of the backyard. So ayan na, gindrawing natin ang diagram ng parallelogram. Dinrawing natin, pinakita natin yung base is 11 meters and then ang height natin ay 9 meters. So we can compute now for the area of the backyard. And what is the formula? We use the formula, area is equal to base times height. Okay. So, na-plan nyo na ang gagawin. Ano ang kasunod na step? So, step 3 na tayo. So, let's solve to carry out the plan. I-solve na natin para masundan na natin yung plano, sundan natin ang plano para makuha natin ang tamang sagot. So, ano nga ba ang formula kanina ng parallelogram? So, area is equal to base times height. So, ang base niya ay 11 meters and ang height niya ay 9 meters. So, tingnan natin. So, you have to multiply 11 times 9. And multiplying 11 times 9, the product is, yan, 99 square meters. Yan na ngayon ang area ng parallelogram nag-bend doon sa ating problem. So, the complete answer will be the backyard has an area of 99 square meters. So, Carlos needs 99 square meter of Bermuda grass to cover the yard. Meron pa tayong isang step. Nakuha na natin ang sagot sa pag-solve, pero may isang step pa tayo. What is that number 4 step? Okay, the fourth step is check and look back. So, pag sinabi natin, i-check natin ang sagot at babalikan natin ang problem. So, ask yourself, did you use the correct formula? Ginamit ko ba ang tamang formula? Does the answer make sense? Did you label the answer correctly? And if all of your answers for to these questions are yes, you have solved the problem correctly. So, very good yan. Kung yan ang ginamit ninyo, nakuha nyo yung four steps sa pag-solve ng problem. Okay. So, yan ay paraan kung paano tayo mag-solve ng routine problem. Okay. So, let's find out the next uh, lesson, how to solve if we have non-routine problem. Take it away, Tutor Joby.
Yes, kung may routine problem, meron tayong tinatawag na non-routine problem. Para mas lalo nating maintindihan, let's take this problem, word problem. Okay? A rectangle is formed by three identical squares lying side by side. The perimeter of the square is 20 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle? Parang naguluhan ako, Tutorwela, kasi ang alam ko pagkuha ng area is length times width agad kapag rectangle. Ang binigay dito ay perimeter. So medyo nakakalito. So ano nga ba ang gagawin natin? So katulad nito, so maraming paraan kung paano kukunin ang tamang sagot kasi non-routine. Walang perfect step sa pagkuha nitong non-routine problem. So pwede mo siyang i-illustrate. O di ba doon sa nakaraan nating mga lessons noong second grading, third grading may mga ganitong problem din. So how to solve non-routine problems. So one is illustration. So we can make it by we can solve this problem by making an illustration. So let's illustrate. So paano nga ba? So the perimeter of the square is 20 centimeter. To find the measurement of each side, so divide the perimeter by 4. So kailangan muna nating kunin pala yung kanyang side. Ano yung side nung square na binigay sa atin na merong perimeter na 20 centimeter. So ito ang gagawin natin. We have to divide the perimeter by 4. Kasi a square has 4 equal sides. So divide natin by 4. So paano? So perimeter is equal to 4 times S. S represents the sides. At yung 4 dyan, yung bilang ng sides ng square. So, therefore, 20 is equal to 4 times S. Ayan, 20 is equal to 4 times S. So, ang gagawin natin ay S is the missing factor in the multiplication sentence. So, paano yan? Nandito sa kanan yung missing factors natin. So, ano yung kabaliktaran nung times? Babaliktarin kasi natin kasi ilagay dapat natin yung missing ay S is equal to 4. Tapos yung 20 na given. So, i-transpose natin. So, paanong gagawin natin? So, ganito na po ang mangyayari. So, S is equal to the measurement, yung perimeter divided by the 4 sides. So, therefore, 20 divided by 4 is equal to ilan? Ilan po? Ayan, nagko-comment sila, Tutor Wela, katulad ni Eileen Ocot, sabi niya 5 centimeter po. Sinabi naman ni Heaven ni 20 divided by 4. Pati si Yana Rain. So, ayan, sinagot naman sila ni Rafael at saka ni Eileen kanina. So, 5 nga daw ba? Ang sagot ay yes, the side is equal to 5. Okay, yan. Ready na tayong mag-solve ng area. Kasi nakuha na natin yung sides. Pero hindi pa nagtatapos diyan kasi meron tayong 3 squares. So paano natin kukunin ang kanyang area? So the side measures 5 centimeter. So titignan natin yung illustration, 5 centimeter yung one side, second, third, and fourth side, pare-pareho po siyang 5 centimeters. Then, let's put the three identical squares side by side dahil yun ang nilagay kanina. A rectangle is formed by three identical squares lying side by side. So, let's proceed. So, 1, 2, 3. Ano ang nabuo? Nakabuo tayo ng rectangle o rectangular. So kanina nakuha natin yung sides. Tingnan natin ilan ba yung sides kanina, Tutor Wella, na nakuha? We got 5 centimeters doon sa kanyang measurement ng sides ng bawat side ng square. So, bibilangin natin kasi the length, yun ang magiging length na natin kasi pinagtabi-tabi natin yung squares, nakabuo tayo ng tinatawag na length o haba. So, pagsamasamahin natin yung bawat sides ng nagkadikit-dikit na square, so we have 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. So, ano ang total natin na length nung ating 3 squares na naging rectangle? So, sinagot na naman tayo ni Unreal Torres. It is 15 centimeter ang kanyang length. At nandyan din ang kanyang height daw yung sinabi. Pero kasi sa rectangle, meron tayong tinatawag na length and width. So, yes, ang sagot niya ay 15 centimeter at tama nga po. So, we have the length is equal to 15 centimeter. So, ano naman yung isang dimension niya? Ang kanyang width. At ang width niya ay 5 centimeter. So, makukuha na natin ang area ng rectangle na binuo ng 3 squares. So, paano natin kukunin? So, dimensions of the rectangle formed our length is equal to 15 centimeter and the width is 5 centimeter. Ready na tayo para makuha ang area. Okay. So, then find the area of the rectangle using the formula area is equal to length times width. Okay. So, meron na tayo ng dalawang dimensions na length and width. Kaya ready na tayong kunin ang area ng rectangle. So, palitan lang natin, substitute natin. Yung length is equal to 15 centimeter and the width is 5 centimeter. So, 15 centimeter times 5 centimeter, ano ngayon ang area ng rectangle natin formed by 3 squares? Yes, the answer is, ang sabi ni Isaac sa Hulga, it is 75 square centimeter. Si Ryan, 75 din, di lang mahirap kasi maglagay sa comment ng 2. So, sabi din ni Yana Rain, it is 75 square centimeter. Tama nga po ba sila? Yes, it is 75 square centimeter. So, ang daming mga online learners na talaga natin na mathematicians, di ba? Mga matinik. At therefore, the area of the rectangle is 75 square centimeters. Wow, ang gagaling talaga ng ating mga online learners. Nakuha din ni Jiromir Balila. Yan, si Mac Prince, si Rafael, si Samantha, si Ailen. Okay, si Rafael Jaime Dave. Oh, yan. So, Tutor Wella, ito ay isang example ng non-routine problem. Okay? So, let's continue. Tutor Wella, how about this?
Yes, continue, Tutor Jovi. Okay.
So, let's analyze another word problem. A rice field is in the shape of a right triangle with a base of 20 meter and a height of 14 meter. Okay? what is its area? So look at the illustration. Ano po ba yung shape niya? That is right triangle. So paano nga ba natin kukunin ang ating area ng triangle? So we have to understand first the problem. So yun yung ito'y halimbawa ng routine problem. 'Di ba, Tutor Wella? Kasi follow tayo ng first ng steps in answering for the word problem. Okay, so
Yes.
first is understand. What is asking the problem? Ano nga ba ang tinatanong doon sa problem kanina? Okay, so kung ang sagot ay the area of the rice field, correct kayo dyan. And, syempre, ang second step natin is plan. What formula will be used? Ano nga ba ang
Tutor,
Yes.
excuse me, Tutor Jubil, may what are given pa
Ay, I'm
sa
sorry.
understanding the
Yes. Okay.
problem.
Yes, what are given. Nagmamadali, Tutor Wella. Sorry po. Nakalimutan i-flash. Okay, so what is us understand we have there the questions to be answered is what is us in the problem and what are given. So automatic nakikita natin yung what are given sa problem mismo. And ano po 'yon? Ito ay ang kanyang base which is 20 meters at ang kanyang height ay 14 meters. Ano naman po yung next step, Tutorella? Go on.
So we have to plan, Tutor Joby. And in planning, we are going to find the formula. So ano nga ba ang formula na gagamitin natin sa pag-solve ng problem natin? Okay. So kung ang sagot nyo ay A, area is equal to base times height over 2, you are correct. Tama kayo
Yes.
dyan. So, hindi pa natin na didiscuss yung ibang parts, ang ibang steps. May sagot na sila, Tutor Joby. Tama nga ba sila?
Mm.
So, Tutor Joby, go on.
Okay, so yan. Nakuha mo na kung paano mo isolve yung problem kasi nakuha mo na yung formula na area is equal to base times height divided by 2. So you have to solve now. What is the solution? So A is equal to base times height divided by 2. I-substitute mo lang po yung base and height. So we have there 20 meter times 14 meters divided by 2. So 20 times 14 is equal to 280 square meter divided by 2 is equal to 140 square meter. And syempre, para masigurado mo kung tama ang inyong sinagot, ano po yung last step ulit, Tutor Wella?
Yes, you have to check your answer. Check and look back. So, tama ba ang sagot ko? So, what is the final answer? What is the complete answer? And the complete answer, kapag ito ang sagot nyo, the area of the rice fields is 140 square meters. Tama ang sagot nila. Pero Tutor Joby, napapansin ko sa ating mga online learners, hindi nila na-divide by 2. Nakaligtaan yata nila yung over 2. Nakuha nila yung 280 square meters. That is for 20 meters times 14 meters lang yon. But then may over 2 pa tayo. Di po ba, Tutor Joby? Dahil
Yes.
ang right triangle ang shape natin, ang ating figure. So, dapat divided by 2. So, kaya ang sagot natin ay 140 square meters. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Pero
Yes.
alam nila yung Tutor Joby, nakulangan lang sila.
Yes.
Na-mislook lang nila yung over 2. Okay. So, take note of that, learners.
Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, sabi, I just noticed it looks like half a triangle. Yes. At yun talaga yung kanyang formula, yung area is equal to base times height divided by 2. Okay? So, let's proceed. Now,
Yes.
yes, Tutor Ruela, it's your turn.
Yes, now let us solve another non-routine problem. So tingnan natin ha. If the length of a side of the smaller square is 8 centimeters and that of the bigger square is 16 centimeters, what is the area of the shaded region shown? So tingnan ninyo, sabi nga, for non-routine problem, marami tayong process, marami tayong paraan kung paano natin makuha yung tamang sagot. Hindi tayo nag-stick to one lang, wherein meron lang tayong steps na sinusunod, makuha na natin ang sagot. Sa non-routine problem, pwede nating i-drawing, pwede nating i-illustrate, pwede tayong gumawa ng table if necessary. So tingnan ninyo ang ating illustration. So what is the area of the shaded region shown? So yung nakakulay red, Tutor Joby, yung hahanapin nila. So first, meron tayo dyan ang gagawin natin to get the area of the shaded region. First, let's find the area of the two squares. So ilan ang squares natin dyan, Tutor Joby? Di ba 2?
Yes.
Isang bigger square. Yes.
Yes.
Isang big
Tutor Wella.
square, isang smaller square. So, ang una nating gagawin, let's find the area of the two squares, the bigger square and the smaller square. So, let's find out first the big square. Area of the bigger square muna tayo. So, area of the bigger square, so alam niyo ang formula is S times S. So, let's substitute. So, tingnan niyo ang side ng bigger square is 16. So, let's substitute 16 centimeters times 16 centimeters. And what's the answer? The area of the bigger square is A is equal to 256 square centimeters. Okay, yan ang area ng buong square na yan, yung malaking square. Now, let's find out the area of the smaller square. Tingnan niyo ang side ng smaller square. Area of the smaller square is equal to S times S again. So, ang measurement natin dyan ay 8 centimeters. So, 8 centimeters times 8 centimeters equals to 64 square centimeters. And then, what are we going to do to find the shaded region, the area of the shaded region? We are going to subtract the area of the smaller square from the area of the bigger square. So area of the shaded square is equal to 256 square centimeters minus the smaller square, which is 64 square centimeters. So the area of the shaded region is, may sagot na ba sila, Tutor Joby? Wala pa, ibigay na natin yung sagot. Okay, ang area ng shaded region ngayon ay 192 square centimeters. So therefore, the area of the shaded region is 192 square centimeters. So take a look at that, ha? Tingnan ninyong mabuti kung paano natin sinolve yung shaded region na yon, paano natin nakuha ang shaded region na yan.
Yes.
Okay. May mga nakasagot
yes.
naman pala, Tutor Joby, marami.
Mm-mm.
Nandyan sino pa ba to? Si Anirak Ong Balisamon, si Jeromer, si Aileen Ocot, si Samantha, si Rafael, si Heavenly, okay, si Jasmine Ferrer, so si Yana, nakuha din naman nila yung tamang sagot, Tutor Joby. Okay. Let's proceed,
Yes.
Tutor Joby.
Okay, so let's proceed. At alam kong ready na ang ating mga online learners. So, bago pala doon mag-assessment, kailangan tandaan muna natin. So, what I have learned. So, kanina, let us remember always that to solve routine word problems involving areas of plain figures, we can follow the 4-step plan. Number 1 is understand the problem, and understand, you have to answer the question, know what is asked, and letter B, know what are the given facts or data are. Then number 2, we have to plan, and sa planning, you can draw or illustrate the diagram to visualize the problem if necessary. And letter B, you have to use the formula. At syempre, ang step 3, solve. A, write the complete solution, and don't forget to label your answer. And number 4, check and look back. So, review and check your answer. Ayan, Tutor Wella. Siguradong ready
Tutor
na
Joby?
daw si Yana Rain. Yes.
Yes, Tutor Joby pa. Pa-click nga po. For non-routine problem, may be solved by drawing a picture or an illustration, using a number line, making a table, or some other solving strategies. So yun po ang non-routine
Yes.
problem natin. Okay, the
Ayan.
most awaited part. Tingnan nga natin kung nila tayo, Tutor Joby.
Okay.
Okay, ready ba kayo, learners? Ready na sila.
Oh,
Sige, tingnan natin. For number 1, solve the following word problems. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, Nestor prepared a rectangular seed bed measuring 6 meters long and 4 meters wide. What is the area of the seed bed? Okay, comment down your answer, learners. Type na po. Okay, and Tutor
may
Joby, may
sagot
sagot
na.
na aga. Yes. Opo. Ayan, si Mac Prince letter B, si Jerome B, Unreal is D, Mac Prince ay B, ayan, si Yana ay B. Okay, sino to? Si Heavenly ay B daw. Si Rafael naman ay 24 daw, sabi niya. So, ayan nga, letter B nga yun. So, learners, congratulations dahil letter B ang sagot. Very good kayo doon. Number 2, Tutor Joby.
Okay, number 2 naman tayo. Rosemary is making a tablecloth for her square table. If one side of the top of the table is 4 meter long, what is the area of the top of the table? Yan. Area of a square. Ano nga ba ang sagot? So, paki-comment nga po ang inyong mga sagot, online learners. Ayan. So,
Ang sagot nila,
andyan, may
Tutor Joby,
sagot
meron
na,
na.
Tutorwela. Yes, si Yana ay A. Si Ria ay A din. So, let's find out kung tama nga po sila. So, we have letter A. Ang galing-galing ng ating mga online learners. Okay, so let's proceed. Number 3.
Aunt
Ay,
Susan placed a study table with a triangular top in her library. The top of the table has the following dimensions. Its base is 60 centimeters and its height is 20 centimeters. What is the area of the top of the table? So, the top of the table daw, what is the area? Yan ang ating sasagutin. So, comment down your answer. What is the letter of the correct answer, learners? Okay, ang sagot nila, kapag ang sagot nila ay letter B daw, sabi ni Mac Prince. Tama ba si Mac Prince? Tutor Joby, si Heavenly, letter B din.
yes, ang sagot ay letter B. Ang gagaling talaga, Tutorwela. So, yan, no, tignan mo, nakikita na natin ang kanilang mga sagot at marami po ang nakakuha ng letter B. Ayan, number 4 naman tayo. A decorative pillow is in the shape of a trapezoid. Its upper and lower bases measure 28 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. Its height is 10 centimeter. What is the area of the front surface of the pillow? Okay, trapezoid po yung ating decorative pillow. At ano nga po ba ang sagot na ng ating number 4? So, please comment down your answer. Ano nga po ba ang correct answer dito? So, paki-comment po
Tingnan.
ang sagot. Ayan.
Okay,
So,
habang hinihintay, Tutor Joby, habang hinihintayin natin ang kanilang mga sagot, yung meron tayong bago, si Lovely Joy
yes.
Nosta, Kimpo, bago ba natin
Yes.
kasama yan?
Yes.
Good afternoon sa iyo, Lovely.
Parang San
Okay.
Lorenzo yan, Tutorwela.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Sige, welcome, welcome. Okay, our answer is letter, okay,
C.
sino nakakuha ng
Okay.
tamang sagot? Tutor Joby, dami
Ayan.
nila.
Yes, ang dami nila, Tutorwela. Okay. And number 5.
Number
The-
5, the
yes.
playground is parallelogram. Parallelogram in shape. It has a base of 10 meters and a height of 17 meters. What is its area? Okay, comment down your answer for the last number of our assessment. Oh, ayan na si Yana. It's letter D daw. Si Carl naman, Barugaw, 175 daw ang sagot niya. Okay, si Ryan is number 5 is letter D. Jeromer ID. Okay, si
Okay?
Isaac ID, si Lovely ID. Okay, so tama nga ba? Yes, tama pala sila. Tama ang kanilang mga sagot, Tutor Jovi. It's
Okay,
170
yes.
square meters.
Oh,
Okay.
siyempre kailangan natin makita kung ilan ang kanilang score, kaya paki-comment po ang inyong score habang binabasa ko ang ating challenge yourself. Ayan. So, habang binabasa ko, pwede rin yung screenshot o kaya balikan ninyo para masagutan ng ating challenge yourself. Okay, a lemon orchard is shaped like the figure below. Find the area of the orchard. Okay, tignan nga po. Paki-comment nga, ay paki-picturean na po siya, paki-screenshot. Then, i-submit ulit ang inyong mga sagot sa ating FB page, DepEd ETUlay, sa hashtag TutorJovi or hashtag TutorWella para mas madali nating makuha ang inyong mga isinagot. At syempre, mabibigyan na naman ng award na Job Well Done Tuties Award. At syempre, nakikita mo ba yung mga score nila, Tutorwella? Halos lahat sila ay perfect score. Ang gagaling talaga. So, ayan na naman. Bago tayo magsabi ng hello, ng goodbye, kailangan
Oh,
muna nila ito, Tutorwella.
yes, my dear learners, please click the link below. Ayan, nakikita nyo ang link dyan. And then scan the QR code to give us your feedbacks, comments, and suggestions para mapa-unlad pa namin ni Tutor Jovi ang aming pagtuturo online. Okay. So, ayan na ba? Na-screenshot? Na-screenshot?
Yes.
Na-scan na ba? Okay. So, thank you, my dear learners. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin ni Tutor Jovi ngayong hapon. Kami ang inyong Mamshi Maticians na nagsasabi na God bless and be safe. Okay, Tutor
Yes.
Jovi?
Thank you so much. Goodbye and stay safe sa ating lahat. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Until next Friday.
Ang husay naman! Natapos mo ang iyong tutorial session kasama ang iyong mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutuhan? I-share na yan gamit ang hashtag ETUlay Level Up. Huwag aalis ha dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutors. Happy learning dito sa ETUlay!